Hey everyone, this is Lion. Welcome back to school. Today I'm going to teach you about Adobe Animate and its little bug thing that's going on. So I don't know if you've had it where you try to draw in one spot, and then maybe when you're drawing in this spot, instead of it drawing in this spot down here, you're getting some strange line that goes straight up, and then it, as you're drawing it does a whole bunch of stuff instead of just doing it from where it's supposed to. What you want to do is you want to go up to the top of your Adobe Animate program, click on Edit, go down to Preferences, Edit Preferences, and in the Preferences window, you're going to go to the last item on the menu, which says Drawing, and at the very bottom of that, you're going to go to where it says Tablet Input, and you should click on Windows Ink Beta. Try switching to that from WinTab, and this, this is for people who are using a stylus or pen mouse or whatever, and try to use Windows Ink Beta. Click OK. Save your file if you had a file already, and or don't save if you don't want to save errors or whatever, and just restart Animate, and it should be working fine. Hopefully that fixes everything for you guys. This is Lion. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to please subscribe and like this video. Have a great day.